तुमची CLP आलेली कितें डिस्कशन जालें कितें?
Number one, while CLP was going on, we have come to know that assembly has been summoned for 2 days, 18th and 19th October.
Okay.
So that also we decided that we will prepare for the 2 days assembly session. Secondly, today we paid homage to our senior leader, Bhaskar Khandalji, stood for 1 minute silence, paid respect to our senior leader, Bhaskar Khandalji. Secondly, we also discuss the prevailing COVID situation in the state of Goa. In fact, yesterday, government has issued a statement saying that 68 deaths were reported, which were not reported earlier. It is just shocking. We are shocked that 68 those deaths which have happened earlier for the last 3 months have not gone reported, and now they are reporting, adding it to the total review. This is totally mismanagement, it appears like. Then we have also discussed about the double tracking land acquisition, which we said that in spite of our continuous demand that we should not go for acquisition of land. We should not go for acquisition of land. We have said clearly that double tracking doesn't serve the purpose for which it is being done. It does not help the Goans in any way. They have not been able to justify. So we have said that government should reconsider its decision. Where it is not worth. Thirdly, we also discussed about the issue of bakers. You must have read that pav is going to be expensive from 2nd October. They said it is increasing by ₹1. In 2019, when they increased the rate, I had taken this issue with the government, with the civil supply, because that time we had prepared a scheme. My government had prepared a scheme known as Goinche Dais, which was for traditional occupationists, which included Podes. And that scheme was clearly helping the Podes. In fact, we have suggested that you implement that scheme so that they are able to be given relief, they are able to be given subsidy, whatever it is. But government has not helped them in any way, and as a result, they are compelled today to raise the price. Because this is common man's, Goan's common food. Everybody eats pav. Every day you consume pavs. So this is the major thing. Then we also condemn the brutal lathi charge and arrest of National President of Indian Youth Congress, Sri Brish Srinivas, Goa Youth Congress President Sri Bharat Mardolkar, and other senior Youth Congress leaders. They were beaten up and they were arrested by the Goa police when they were protesting, silent protest opposite near Azad Maidan. These are some of the issues we have taken up. And lastly, law and order problem. Even today we have seen Siddhi Naik's murder. Parents have to go and complain. Still they are not able to investigate and come. They already, initially they were saying that it appears to be suicide and all. But now parents are going and complaining. Then we also discuss about the Bhumiputra bill. Now Bhumiputra bill, as we have always said, that it was without any, the documents which are produced under RTI clearly shows that it has not been vetted properly. It has not gone to the various authorities to whom it has to go. There is no clear-cut direction. It was hurriedly put up at 5 o'clock early in the morning. And now, without withdrawing the bill, they are asking for objection suggestion. The bill has become the property of the House. Now, before putting it before the public, it has not become an act. Because
it has to come to the assembly.
It has to come back to the assembly. They have to withdraw it first. And then they have to decide for calling objection suggestion. I am told that they have already, somebody said yesterday some statement came that 150 objections suggestions have been received. When the bill has been, whatever said and done, bill is before in the House, how they can call for objection suggestion? They have not yet sent it to the governor also for assent. So that shows that this bill has got strong reaction from the general public in the state of Goa. Secondly, we are also insisting that mining should be started as early as possible. Last so many years, they were saying that they will start next year. They will say every Jilla Panchayat election, they said after election, municipal election after municipal election. Now they are saying they have already formed mining corporation, but still nothing is happening. So this is that start the mining as early as possible.
Okay. Yeah, but, what is your...
About the other issues we have discussed.
Okay. Which are the other issues that you all have discussed?
Ah?
आणि दुसरे इश्यूज आले म्हणजे डिस्कस केला ते
तसं बाकी ते मैं आमचे
We have strongly discussed on very strong issues which are near and dear to Goans. Number one, through Goa. We have signed with Jindal to import 5.60 million tons of coal to Goa. I remember late Mr. Manohar Parrikar had said that he will not allow coal import. He will not allow double tracking. Today, they are doing double tracking only to destroy Goa and help their crony capitalists like Adanis and Jindals to import Goa, and Goa has already become a coal destination. Goa was a tourist destination, but today Goa has become a coal destination. We have also discussed that this government is trying to undermine Goa and Goans, especially as far as the mining loot. The Supreme Court a few days back, in the month of January, said you have to recover 35,000 crores of rupees of mining loot which was done illegally. Nothing is done, we have miserably failed. We have also discussed about the Bhumiputra Adhikarin bill, that this bill is imposed on Goans, and we as opposition should have been more vocal to oppose it. We should have opposed also the major ports bill. This major ports bill is taking away the rights of Goans, and especially when we are a federal state, it's taking away our law. It's taking away the Munkar Act. It's taking away the Municipality Act. Is taking away the Town and Country Planning Act. It's taking away the Revenue Code. It's taking away all the acts. And this act is imposed on Goans, and we have miserably failed. Now, I am not saying that. The reply to the Assembly by the Honorable Minister for Town and Country Planning, the Deputy Chief Minister, has said that it is wrong, and they have already written to the Government of India. But it is a shame that we have got a BJP government over here and we got BJP government there, but they have not even replied or bothered to reply the state government. And this and many other issues which are near and dear to Goans will be issues which will be haunting Goans and will be destroying Goa, destroying Goa's ecology. Our honorable leader already said, as far as all the three linear projects, these three linear projects is destroying our ecology, our environment, our forests, our trees, is whatever painstakingly Goans have preserved, it's being destroyed. This we have discussed.
Further, I would like to also state here that Bhumiputra bill is done without proper study. Bhumiputra, just in short I will tell you, under Munkar Act, we are giving 300 square meters. Bhumiputra gets 250. And Munkar Act is already in force. And they are bringing this kind of a thing because I don't know for what purpose they have brought this in. To favor some one or two people whom they thought they would like to favor. So this is something that needs to be seen properly. Unfortunately, that time we were not in the assembly. Perhaps they have passed it in the midnight or in the morning or something. So in a hurried manner, to favor some people, blue-eyed boys of this government. And it is not fair. You see, it's a act which tomorrow anybody can become a Bhumiputra. 79. While Munkar Act is right from the original people who were there right from the beginning. And is there. So they have not properly studied. Munkar you get 300 square meters, Bhumiputra they are giving 250 square meters, whatever they are doing, but without proper studies.
How you
We have
react
also
on
discussed about
COVID
the
vaccine?
fish mafia. The fish mafia which is killing goans for the last so many years. They may be earning around 40-50 crores per day. 90% of the fish which comes to Goa is coming with laced with formalin.
Yeah?
And it is killing goans. The scourge of cancer is killing goans. My resolution was there on that day, on the Friday, Private Members' Day. Somehow we have failed to protect the health of goans. We have failed to protect our goans who are dying with the scourge of cancer as far as fish and all. I can give you the copy of the resolution with this. I had also brought 2 bills. You see, we have brought one bill regarding unemployment allowance and self-employment bill, because that is the biggest problem Goans are facing, especially educated Goans. The second bill was Goa Agricultural Land Protection Bill. You know, we are talking of special category status. We have to protect our land. Our land is already gone. These 2 private members' bills we could not bring, but the same day we walked out and they brought in all the other things through the back door on a private members' day, which is exclusively reserved for private members. Thank you.
How will react
As
on
far as other thing I would like to state here, double tracking from the earlier rail track coming from Castle Rock and others, it is not proper. You have made another track for the Konkan Railway. Perhaps they must have thought of it because it's done recently. Double tracking could have been done there. Why double tracking in the cut down all the forests?
So your comment, how you react on the COVID vaccine in land? CM is telling the 102%. So
We don't know such mathematics.
There is a,
We are not giving those COVID vaccines to people. You ask them.
So your president have not. What do you like to say about your president have not took the vaccination? He's saying ki vaccination about the vaccination. So yesterday he had commented ki he also have not.
Where not? I don't know. You ask him. I have to.
your reaction? 102% the CM
See,
is
the
claiming.
day they say 100%, after that 1,000, their statistics show that 1,200 people have taken vaccination. How they can say 100%? Just like the ODF, they said 100%. Even today people are constructing toilets, Sulabh toilets. Government is sanctioning toilets.
okay. The agriculture is not giving the proper figures.